talking today about the Get a Grip Foot Pedal Pad by Martelli. This product is something that I use every day and love, and this is what it is. It's a very simple product. It is simply a board that is used to put your foot pedal on. So your sewing machine, very often when I'm using my Featherweight, my foot pedal will travel all over, and I have to keep dragging it back with my foot, dragging it back. But I started using this foot pedal. I gave it a try, this board, and I absolutely love it. So let me tell you about it. This is the pedal board, and you can see even as I tip it up, it's gripping my pedal. Now there's nothing sticky about this board, so it feels like it has a suede on both sides. It's reversible. Either side can be the top and the bottom, but it's exactly the same on both sides, and it is a hard board. So let me show you. When I put my pedal on there, it does not go anywhere. Now let me show you. I'm on just a craft table, and if I can slide plastic around this easy, when I put this on, it doesn't. I can slide it, but I gotta work at it. So the idea being that if you put this on carpeting, it's going absolutely nowhere because that fabric is going to grip really well on your carpeting. If your sewing machine is in a room with a hard floor like mine is, this is wonderful because it is soft, so it's not going to scratch your floor. Still grips really nicely, but if it slides at all, it's not scratching your floor at all. So it's really a nice, simple product that does what it says. And again, this is the Get a Grip Foot Pedal Pad from Martelli. Thanks for joining me.
And be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can do so here by clicking the subscribe button. That way you'll find out about new videos as they become available.